Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So these are the potencies of God. Not that I can show some magic and immediately I become God. Let's see the magic, real magic of God. Don't accept cheap God. God must show godly magic. Just like we are showing little magic, floating some aeroplane or Sputnik or jet in the sky, you are taking so much credit. So much credit the scientists are declaring, there is no God, I am God. Because I have made this aeroplane. And what is your aeroplane in comparison to these planets? So intelligent person, they will give more credit to God than to these scientists and philosophers. Because he can see the potencies. How much potency is there? So, he has many potencies. In the Vedic literature we can understand Parasa Shakti Vividaiva Siyate in the Vedas, Upanishad. Natasya Karjam Karanancha Vidyate. God has nothing to do personally. Natasya Karjam Karanancha Vidyate. Natasya Shama Odikasya Drishyate. Nobody is found equal to him or greater than him. Nobody. That is God. If somebody is competitor, one God competitor, another God competitor, just like nowadays it has become a fashion to become God, and there are competition between one God to another. But actually, nobody can compete with God. That is God. Natasya Sama. Sama means equal. Odikasya or greater. That means everyone subordinate. Everyone subordinate. Everyone is lower than God. He may be very powerful, but nobody can be equal or greater than God. That is the Vedic information. Natasya Sama Odikasya Dishyati. Don't find. They are also a great saintly person, they are researching that who is the greatest personality. Greatest personality. So by research what? By great saintly person, especially by Lord Brahma, he is the first creature within this universe. So he has found by his spiritual advancement and research work that Krishna is the greatest. Ishara Parama Krishna. He gives his decision. The greatest personality is Krishna. Just like we are sitting so many ladies and gentlemen here, we can analyze who is the greatest here. So, say for arguing, you can accept that you are the greatest. But I am not the greatest. I have got my spiritual master. He has got his spiritual master. He has got his spiritual master. In this way, we go up to Brahma. Brahma is the original spiritual master within this universe, who gave us the Vedic knowledge. He is therefore called forefather, grandfather, Pitama. But he is also not independent. In the Vedanta Sutra, Bhagavad, it is said that Brahma is the first creature. There was any other living entity when he was created first. So, if I say that he also got knowledge from others, then the argument may be who is the next person to give him knowledge. So, therefore Bhagavad says, no, he received knowledge from Krishna. How? From the heart. Tene Brahma Rida. Rida. Because God, Krishna is sitting in everyone's heart. Your heart, my heart, everyone. And he can give you instruction. His name is therefore Chaitya Guru. Chaitya Guru means who gives conscience and knowledge from within. And the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishta. In everyone's heart I am sitting. Hridi, within the heart. Sannivishta, I am sitting there. Sarvasya, not only you and me, even animals, insects, birds, beasts, Brahma, everyone. Sarvasya, all living creatures. So, sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishta matta, from me, smriti jnanam apohanancha, remembrance, knowledge and forgetfulness. Forgetfulness also. If you want to forget God, God will give you intelligence that you can forget God forever. He is so kind. Whatever you want, He will give you intelligence. Do like this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.